We're going to solve. I have 2 and 2/3 times 3 and 1/4. So 2 and 2/3 times 3 and 1/4. I'm going to turn those into improper fractions using the get mad strategy. Multiply, then add. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. The denominator stays the same. I'm going to do the same over here. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 1 is 13 over 4. I'm not dividing, so I'm not going to keep change flip. I'm just going to multiply across. I do see some common factors. 8 and 4 are both divisible by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. 2 times 13 is going to be 26. 3 times 1 is 3. There are no common factors, so I'm going to go into a division house because that is an improper fraction, and I need to turn it into a mixed number. 3 goes into 26 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, I have 2. We don't do remainders here, and we're not doing decimals, so I'm going to take that and turn it into a fraction. The remainder, 2, is my numerator. My denominator is still a 3, and I have 8 and 2/3.